Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This is the first week of December that I am planning, which means holiday kits are here. Oh yeah, it's the holiday season. And I am using this really pretty pink Christmas kit from Sadies Stickers. I got this in a D-stash or like a kit grab bag sale a long time ago that Alicia had. And in that sale, I got like a bunch of full kit grab bags and a bunch of B6 kit grab bags. And literally, out of the 8 kits that I got, maybe 6 of them were Christmas and winter themed. Like I said, this is a B6 kit. So in order to get enough washi for the right hand side, I pulled in the pattern headers and covered up the space between them with a weekend banner. I have done this in the past in order to make B6 kits work for my standard 7x9 vertical planner, and it's worked out pretty well. In this case, I did have that like little kind of sliver of blank space, so I cut up a piece of that pattern header and sticked it right on in there. And I think it worked out pretty well. I also paired that with just that rose gold blush baby Stardust from Simply Gilded Washi, and I like how those look together. For the date covers, I'm just pulling in these light gray date covers that I made for myself. Since again, this is a B6 kit, it didn't come with date covers, and I feel like those that light gray color kind of matches the kit well enough. There are some pops of that light gray throughout the full boxes, but in general, the kit is so pretty and pink and beigey and creamy, and then there's some like pops of the pine needles throughout the spread. So I really love how this kit, of course, obviously it's very like Christmas themed, but as far as the colors themselves, they're not traditional Christmas. So I love that. I think it was a perfect start to my Christmas spreads, and I'm super happy and excited about it. Okay, and then for also the headers, those are just perforated washi headers from Simply Gilded, and then these bow headers that I pull into the sidebar, which also is the first sidebar I've done in like over a year, maybe even a year and a half. But those bow headers are from Pretty Pink Co. They're just leftovers that I didn't use from a kit. And you know what? I haven't done a sidebar in forever, and I really like the look of it. I am also pretty impressed that I got the spacing like spot on, because that is I've seen in other people's videos that that's a little difficult to do, and I think I did a pretty good job with it. Okay. But yeah, I love how having like a complete sidebar really does complete the spread. Yeah, that looks good. I think I might continue doing that. Okay, now into the plans. On Monday, I took the day off, which was really nice. This was the Monday after Thanksgiving, and I took the Monday off to have this like super extra long weekend, and it was awesome. It was so relaxing. I really appreciated it. So I just use a label from the kit, and that like sleigh foil deco is from Ruby J Designs. I love that, and I pull in a lot of her foil deco into the spread. And then the day off script is from Letters to Apollo. But below that is this super stunning lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio. I am obsessed with that. I just got in an order from her last week from her Black Friday sale, and I filmed the haul, but I haven't posted the haul yet. But I am just in love with everything Sharon puts out. Everything is so gorgeous. The foil is perfect, and I definitely need to make another order soon. But yeah, I used that to mark that I had a microderm infusion appointment on my day off. I decided to, pamper myself. And I did want to clarify that these are like infusion like hydrating procedures. It's not like that very abrasive microdermabrasion thing that you're probably thinking about. This is like super, super gentle, super hydrating, and really, really good for your skin. So I'm not like, scrubbing my skin, or I'm not having someone scrub my skin like that. So okay, let's see. Since we're on to Tuesday already, I used, oh my God, I missed it. But I used this really pretty box from Megby Makes, and then that ornament, that hanging ornament deco is from Ruby J Designs, and I love that so much. And I also love this, oh man, all the deco on Tuesday basically is so pretty. That one below the full box is from Ruby J Designs. And that lace washi basically is from Bloom Paper Studio, and that is again gorgeous. So um, I used a lot of foil deco this week, like mainly because I had it. Like the all the foil deco from Ruby J Designs, I purchased those specifically to use for all of my holiday spreads. Because they are like a holiday and winter theme, so they are so, so pretty. Also, that candle that I used for the microderma infusion appointment on Monday, that is from Lilac Luna Plans, and I do have a coupon code to Lilac Luna Plans as well as Ruby J Designs. Those will be linked down below in the description box, as well as my other coupon codes. On Wednesday, we walked to Dunkin' in the morning as a family. So I pulled in that latte sticker from Rose and Tea Shop. Super gorgeous. I just love their doodles so much. They're super talented. And then I started not feeling too well on Wednesday. Like it was just a weird mix of symptoms. Like I had a headache, I was dizzy, and then I was also really nauseous. Like I didn't have any, you know, um, yeah. I'm just maybe I'll just leave it at that because might be too much information. But yeah, I just really didn't feel good at all. I spent a lot of the day on the couch and just yeah, I don't know. I was like really not feeling good. So, I took a nap. So, these dividers are from Pineapple Design and Ruby J Designs, and then the nap time script with the eyelashes, which is super, super cute, is from Planning Roses. And I did some laundry this day, and then I started watching season 2 of Virgin River, which um you guys, if you've seen my recent plan with me, is that you know that I've been watching Heart of Dixie, which I started watching that show after I saw season 1 of Virgin River, even though Heart of Dixie came out many, many years before Virgin River. And it was so funny to see Doc as Brick Breland because they're basically like the same character, which is so hilarious. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you obviously need to watch both of those shows, okay? Okay, on to Thursday. I still wasn't feeling well, so I marked it the same way. That prescription or medicine bottle is from White Deer Stationery. Love her doodles, check her out. Another divider from Ruby J Designs, and then under that I did use that Panda Bird Design scallop and that Rose and Tea Shop laptop. Love their laptops, they are so classic. To mark that I had 3 meetings this day, and then I got mostly myself, but my boyfriend had his own as well, but I mostly got it for me. But I got some Thai takeout for lunch because I just wanted some comfort food to feel better. And I love pad thai. The only thing that I was sad about was that I asked for one of them to be spicy, and it was definitely not spicy. I was not too happy about that. It like had no spice in it whatsoever. And it also wasn't marked as spicy. Like usually if one is mild and the other is spicy, they'll mark which one is spicy and which one's not. And like neither of them had any label on it, so they obviously didn't care about making one spicy. Oh, this was Thursday was also the day that our soda stream came in, which is super exciting. We've been having a lot of fizzy water. I think in a recent plan with me, I mentioned that I haven't been having my fizzy water craving, but it is officially back. So love having fizzy water at like the touch of our fingers. On Friday, this was kind of like a weird day because I had requested to have the day off as a personal day, and my boss didn't approve it like in our like time system. But my boss is like super chill, like literally the only like, reason she didn't approve it is because she probably didn't see it. So like that whole day I wasn't really sure if I had off or not. So I was like online, but I was like having a chill day, if you know what I mean. So, and ultimately she did approve it like after work hours, which was like kind of I it's kind of funny, but kind of not funny. But anyway, I did have like a really important meeting that day that I had to call in either way. This was a project selection committee meeting, which I'm not going to get too into because that's work related, but definitely was going to call into that regardless of if I had a personal day or not. And I marked that the same way that I marked the all staff conference on Tuesday. This is also the same day that I started doing Archie vlogs. There have been a lot of people on Instagram doing like Vlogmas or yeah, yeah, Vlogmas, I guess is what it's called. And I had been putting a few clips of my dog Archie on my stories, and people seem to really like that. So I started to do Archie vlogs, which actually my planner bestie Martha suggested, and it's been a pretty big hit. I feel like animals like dogs and cats, mostly like any like pets, are pretty universally appealing. Like, I feel like some people really love kids and some people really don't like kids, but I feel like everyone can kind of agree that pets are adorable. So yeah, that's been super fun to kind of like document what Archie is doing, what and how his day's going and stuff like that. And yeah, I feel like a lot of you have really liked it and like, commented nice things to Archie. So really appreciate you guys for watching. Um, oh, and I left this clip in here. I really struggled so bad with repositioning this full box because that full box had probably been sitting on that page for a week before I decided to reposition it in this plan with me. So I'm so sorry. That it really makes me cringe watching that, and I ripped the paper so horribly. Like you saw, like there's a flap of paper just flapping around. Yeah, so um I honestly wish I hadn't repositioned it. It was so bad. And like even now looking at my planner, it's like slightly raised because of that ripped up piece of paper. I actually wish I just like tore it off just so that it's not like raised like this. I don't know why I did that. Okay. So hold on, I distracted myself, but here I am using some deco from Rouge Designs and that YouTube play button from Lilac Luna Plans to mark that I filmed, edited, and uploaded a plan with me. That was my Thanksgiving plan with me. We did go to a park in the morning, I played some Animal Crossing, and then at the very end of the night, we took a walk. Oh God, I didn't realize. We took a walk to as a family to Starbucks, and it's actually kind of funny that I used a maca pot from Pretty Pink Co to mark that because we got cold brew, which like you don't make in a maca pot. Obviously, that's for espresso. But anyway, that was really nice. We got the Irish cream cold brew, like Irish cream foam cold brew or whatever it's called, and that was really yummy. Honestly, I thought like that cream like foamy cream thing that is going on at Starbucks was like unnecessarily hyped, but it is freaking good. So I actually bought some Irish cream so that I can make that drink at home. That's how much I really liked it. So here is the slow pan of this spread. It came out super, super foily. I feel like this is more foily than I typically make my spreads, but it came out really gorgeous. And I love the rose gold. I am on such a rose gold kick. And unfortunately, the rest of my holiday kits are not rose gold. So I think that's also why I specifically wanted to pull this kit into this year, just because um, rose gold has just had my heart lately. I don't know what it is, but it is stunning. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.